Kublai pi baro shkatup Khuborjylla ka donbosco media network. Kimat ki bakong san mentaga singi kilong. Khang surok ka AAMSU jenjar ki padba is Garo Hills. Na imau jam barit shaka jingjap pakraw. Rakhe Golden Jubilee ke school nong seder penursla. Ban rai ka cabinet khandriu tili kimat mentaga singi. But mentang ini pai shaki Khubor ki bakambania. Naka jingkhang surok bat kirinti kisinken da ka all Assam Minority Students Union AAMSU ban wanra ekimar ki mata bat kimar ba mardi shaki Shillong ki thau is Garo Hills district. Kalabu ekipal ba akani ka district hakijing ki bakraw menta la arta yautam. Hanong ba William Nagar kimar ba bakong san kilas dang ban kerdu kumjuru yaki wei kimar ki mata bakipat ba kidan kam man lakasi. Kaseng Aceh dedicated integrity leaders kalami syakmat ban penramjur yakane ke jingle jangka AAMSU. U Francis Marak unong elam kani ke kenhun ulapan priang Khubor ha press club Shillong halor kani ke jingle jangka AAMSU kabalawan ra yaki jing ki bakraw ha kani ke district baro kawai. Ulapan rem ya kajing le sting jang sarkar Meghalaya ban yarap ekipat ba na kani kajing singit ka AAMSU yaki surok ki barung na Assam sya Meghalaya. Ulaong ka sarkar Meghalaya hadu menta kampat patiaw ban shimkhya ban weng yakini kijing jang kipat ba ka is Garo Hills district.
My name is Francis C. Marak. I am the president of Aceh Dedicated Integrity Leaders, what we call ADL, from Garo Hills region. Today we are here to condemn the protest and the statement given by AMSU regarding the supply of essential goods to Garo Hills. The All Assam Minority Students Union, AMSU, of Hatsingimari, Assam, has announced a protest and a road blockage on 25th April 2025, targeting the supply of essential goods and commodities to Garo Hills, Meghalaya. We, the indigenous people of Garo Hills, wish to state unequivocally that we have no involvement in any communal dispute. Our community does not retaliate on communal grounds. However, we are prepared to face any form of retaliation, fully aware of the potential impact such action may cause. We firmly believe that Hatsingimari of Assam is not the guardian of Meghalaya. Our relation with our Assamese Hindu brothers and sisters remains strong. We acknowledge the continued support for the people of Garo Hills. The Government of India is our sole protector and a supplier of essential goods for our survival. Even if supplies from Hatsingimari of Assam are disrupted, Garo Hills has multiple alternative routes to access commodities, including Tura to Garobada via Selsela Pulbari, Tura to Tikilkila via Pedaldoba, Williamnagar to Dudnoi, Rongjeng via Mangsang, Atiabari to Boko Guwahati, Tura via Dadengre to Fulbari, Bajingduba via Agia to Golpara Bongaigaon. Additionally, we have even train connection to Garo Hills to other states. These routes ensure that our people can sustain themselves and maintain trade with Assam and beyond. We question the relevance of AMSU to our lives. The threats of blockades do not affect our ability to sustain ourselves, as we have our own revenue sources and we can procure goods from elsewhere. However, they should recognize that to reach Hatsingimari from mainland Assam, one should travel through Meghalaya Garo Hills Road. Their actions appear self-defeating. The statement issued by AMSU does not make sense to the citizens of Meghalaya. Our government of
Kanong seder LP School kabadon hapen ursla Civil Subdivision haka South Tarik kala rakhe ka Golden Jubilee shisnem lenter daka jingpu jingping haka ba uba lakmen rumbui menteri ka pulia puthi ulalong ukongsan bat uba Shemborlang renja MDC pen ursla constituency ulalong ukongsan sendrop haka ni ka lumpung lekmen jong kani ka school la shim meki kentin pira haka ni ka jingrakhe Golden Jubilee ki baong na imau jam baret syaka jingjob bakrau. Marak Commissioner pen Ursula SDO Civil uladon lang rengkat kinong hikai ki bala syong tat ki kimi ki kpa kinong yalam shnong bat barok kitu ki bala yo jing hikai na kanika skul ka baret bat kabadon ka mon ka bajuat. Lapan her kalama Golden Jubilee hakaba uba Jo Suting Secretary School Managing Committee ula batay ka history balingkot ya ka jingyat lenti bat jing syakri kani ka school yaki padba kishnong nongkwai nong seder maupran bat pentir. Lakan mau buromru ya uba tarson renja MDC bala mikmat ya kani ka than ubala penurlong ya kani ka jing nur jong ki padba kani ka than lengba kani ka LP School. Uba lakman rumbui ulaya ro yaki mati jo ginong penyat bat nong hikai ki bala se yaki he ki han ki bala ya lenti nakani ka school ki weipat ki bakran hakani ka lumpung kilong uba Shemborlang renja ka kong krimila shangpliang kanong hikai beningkong bat uba pining soklet chairman school managing committee
ki khna school ki don la ki chong gisa bat kipte ban pen i ya kasap ke jongki kane ka pen i ba ngidon ke jingkermen kabang itna ru kalong kinong song baro kiasno hilang kisan tho tu ligisna kilayan bat ngilasno thu lemba ka jibatai jong inong hikai banong kong iwa bet usumbai jong jik statane kinong set yak jia lenti jong Bosco bakot no kalong kebawan ra ia ka jingker khu den takada ka pelong ban celebrate yaw musnem ko musnem jubilee ka ka bangas ngotonat bat ka ba itnatam kalong bawan la jista kawan hadir kumbang itip lembag jing tho baka naga school aga naga shnong day tang house nem arjari way ladon kikna na shnong iba pas ya ka metrik ya ka SSLC dan tang hi arusan tel gisnem hadai nagi pay statistik nado kaknai spa nyo do ajar punreu ia iba mentas spa saparmut kilapas yang metrik kendai punreu mut kilapas yang kelas sangut kilapas yang BA jongki hanreu mut kilapas ya ka post graduation bidangki bakhan remut kilapas ya ki diploma kane ka bapni ba kane ka shnong ka khandeu kalongman kalongyin ki khanna kalong ki don ka sap ba ki don kata ke jingkit khia banyo ya ka pule ka pati namar ka pule ka pthi kalang beran kam na kata ya shamtai ban irong ba shlom ngakli ka kini ki breushne ki aret wong tang snyam bat tempel bang ila i bakador usansa kahian haking sistem arsnen daeng ngintre ngintip ba amdei babaro kiba pule ki yo kam sarkar
Kador bar jong kakenhun Menteri Kabinet ke Sorkar Meghalaya balapan ya da Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma kalarai kan riu tili kimat ki bayadei bat ki kam penroi bat ki kam khajna ki banwan ra jing mentoy ya kapla pisa jong ke Sorkar Jylla. Kamat ke bakam kongsan balarai hakane kador bar Kabinet kalong ka jing penkiu ya kamang pisa ban penlut na kabenta ban pun batan di syakasor Shillong thamai hamau diang-diang. Hadin balawai kedor bar Kabinet ubah wailat miki Jylla Menteri Kekuat Kekia ubah longru upadya ketin jaka Sorkar ula batai ki jinat balayatai batrai hakani kedor bar Kabinet.
Good evening to all of you who are present here today. I would just like to brief the agenda taken in today's cabinet. So there are 16 formal agendas taken today. I'll just read them first one by one. The first agenda is amendment of transit rule under the section 40 and 41 of the Meghalaya Forest Regulation 1973, Assam Regulation number 7 of 1891 as adopted and amended by the state of Meghalaya. The second agenda is adoption of service rule for officials of the Meghalaya Drug Testing Laboratory. Number 3 is declaration of the chocolate masir Neolisochilus hexagonolepis as the state fish of Meghalaya. The fourth agenda is regularization of ad hoc employees appointed before the 31st of December 2007. This is the third batch. The fifth agenda is the proposal for purchase of land at Rongalgre, East Garo Hills district for creation of land bank. Agenda number 6 is a proposal for purchase of land at North Garo Hills district for creation of land bank. Agenda number 7 is extension of service in respect of Shri Ram Mohan Mishra, IAS retired and executive chairman of the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Board. The agenda number 8 is extension of service in respect of Shri Hector Mawin, IAS retired, additional chief secretary to the government of Meghalaya and chairman of the Meghalaya Sustainable Development Council. Agenda number 9 is amendment of the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2021 as amended for special project category. Agenda number 10 is extension of service tenure of Shri Khubor Walang, Superintendent Engineer, Directorate of Urban Affairs, Government of Meghalaya. And the agenda number number 11 is amendment rule of 375 Assam Excise Rule 1945 as adapted by the Meghalaya levy of special duty on bottle of origin. Number 12 is approval for escalation of costs of sport infrastructure. Agenda number 13 is revised estimate of new Shillong water supply scheme phase 1. And the agenda number 12 is the amendment of Rule 41A of the Meghalaya Distillery Rule Assam Distillery Rule 1945 as adapted and amended by Meghalaya. So these are the agendas of today's cabinet.
Pada kitu ki Khubor ngelapoish ka bakut terhadap bangindaya Syambiang Kublai Shibun.